Hi! Through this video, we will highlight some of the understanding from food preservation from heat treatment. Before that, your presenter is I'm Nurul Irene Binti alias
My name is El Fariza.
Nurul Ain Husna,
Auza Inur binti Rosni.
And Natasha Parihana.
Canning is a common food packaging that is used in food preservation since it requires heat treatment that can destroy microorganisms. However, using heat treatment will also affect sensory attributes such as texture, color, taste, and quality of the food.
Next, we are going to look at the difference of sterilization and pasteurization. First, the definition of sterilization is to destroy all microorganisms and their spores through the use of drastic method to give a longer shelf life.
And for the pasteurization, it is a process that kills the pathogenic bacteria by heating to a certain temperature for a set period of time. Plus, the shelf life is more shorter than sterilization.
After sterilization process, it kills pathogenic and saprophytic microorganisms, vegetative and spore forms, and viruses.
But in the pasteurization process, it destroys the vegetative form of the bacteria.
Lastly, sterilization process applied in the medical surgery, microbiology, dentistry, packaging industry, and food industry.
Lastly, pasteurization process can apply for the treatment of culture medium, medicine, etc. that include thermolabile ingredients such as sugar and protein as a food preservative method in the food industry.
Next is relationship between pH and heat treatment method. A pH value plays an important role in determining the amount of heat required to ensure a safe product during industrial food processing. A pH value that offers protection against microbial growth or may even provide microorganisms with optimal condition for reproduction. Foods with very low or high pH value will prevent microbial growth and could be stored over long periods of time without undergoing further preservation process. Lastly, the common method that usually used in food industry is drying or thermal process, which can reduce the risk of food spoilage.
And the last one, what is the important step in canning process? First, sterilize. All the equipment must be sterile to avoid any contamination. Next, funnel. It helps keep the jar rims clean, which is very important for ensuring a proper seal. Then, bubble remover is extremely important to remove any air trapped by the food because it will essentially add to the heat space. And the fourth one is clean the jar rim, followed by heat space because normally food will expand as jar heated. Next is boiling the can to kill all the bacteria cell. And the last one is to label each can for best use references.
Thank you for your attention. Stay safe everyone and bye!